How to Develop India Against Coronavirus. Published by avakidblogger.com on February 13, 2020.
Thanks for clicking. Avakin blogger Airbay from Dehradun, Uttarakhand. As you guys already know that coronavirus spread all around the world. So, today I am sharing with you some tips which will you help for developing your cities for fighting against coronavirus. India will remain closed for a longer time period until the infected number of people will remain stopped, but people are still feeling panic without work and food. White check mark, SBI Bank provides 3-month relief of paying installment. White check mark, those who have a ration card can buy for free up to 5 to 10 kilograms wheat and rice monthly. White check mark, 1,000 rupees will transfer in all poor people account. People are taking everything funny, they're creating memes of corona, creating videos on TikTok by taking easy. These people don't know what problem going on in the world, they'll make it funny till they didn't suffer from it. When will you become serious? Till your family will suffer from that. You know no one can safe or run with this problem if it entered the place you're in. Don't go outside is the one way only for reducing the growth of infected people till the government not find the infected number of people in every India. The number of infected people still increasing even in shut down India. Why? Because some fellow coming outside and traveling their hometown just thinking they'll safe over there. What if you're infected too and going there and making others suffer in your home and others in your hometown? Is it good for you? Government need to check all the tourist visitor who comes to India from Jan 15th. Probably someone hiding who spread corona. Residents who know their neighbor well can directly contact to the police or hospital if they found someone sicker. How to grow Dehradun City, India. As we're growing countries. If you guys like to help your own country, then recommend the below mentioned things which I found really very helpful for fighting against the virus. This virus spread from person to person. Coronavirus is a really very harmful virus which is the biological weapons. The new viruses come by doing some experiments in the old one virus. This virus also won SARS-2 because of the SARS-1 coronavirus is similar to this virus. Currently, there's no medicine prepared yet for removing this virus properly, but chloroquine medicine dose really helping from COVID-19 disease. Staying at home can make it slow it down too. But I am trying to put something in your knowledge that if we make technological systems which make our future better by making people support rules. Before this virus chain increase more, we need to take quick action. Likewise, if you guys are living in the military, hotels, colonies, then administrator needs a quick check of all the family if they suffer from a virus or not, and make securities tips for entering someone enters in colonies or anywhere. Prime Minister makes many policies which really helpful, but poor labor still moving from one city to another for going to their hometown because of no work and no food. Without any transport, people going to other places on walking. How can you reduce the coronavirus? 1. Clean your hands frequently. 2. Manage social distancing. 3. Avoid rubbing eyes, nostrils and lips. 4. Practice respiratory hygiene. 5. Seek early defensive care if you become an illness, cold and trouble breathing. 6. Stay familiarized plus follow the guidance produced by your healthcare provider. How to find that you infected from COVID-19. If anybody infected by COVID-19 the disease, then their temperature increases more than 102, fever, suffer cough, sneezing more extra, including the main thing they found, difficulty in breathing. Examine yourself by trying to take hold of your breath for at least 30 seconds. White check mark, government. Need to put pressure on military forces, ITBP, CRPF, Army, Navy, or any other forces, to extract phone numbers of officers and their children number, and all the campus must need to follow it. So, we easily can collect data of whole India, and in the future, this data will help us for tracking location through satellite to find disease person. White check mark. People who live in colonies or any hotels, the hospital must need to share the number too, even though people who live in the village will do too. We can extract number age, male, age through it. And develop an app like Ola for finding the location of all the people of India. The verification app process will be hard for security, one number for one cell phone. White check mark. Call your friends and ask them about their health and their problems, along with telling them to call other friends, and make a chain like that so you and others of your friends will call more people and get more information about other health. And if you found anyone sick, then ask their symptoms and guide them about this disease. Save yourself by staying at home. If you're safe, then others will save people around you and your family will safe. Help others by spreading awareness. Thanks for reaching to us. I hope you will understand these things helpful for the development.